The Intersport Nakamura E-GRAVEL bike is an exciting addition to the world of electric bicycles developed for versatile use, combining the thrill of off-road adventures with the convenience of on-road commuting. Now available in France, this e-bike offers a wide array of features that cater to both novice and experienced riders. The Nakamura E-GRAVEL bike boasts a robust aluminum frame developed to handle a variety of terrains. Available in 3 dimensions S, M, and L, it accommodates riders of different statures, providing a comfortable and customized fit. The green paintwork adds a touch of style to its rugged build. The heart of the Nakamura is its powerful Naki Power mid-mounted motor, capable of delivering an impressive 80 Nm of torque. With assistance settings including Eco, Sport, Boost, and the innovative Smart Assistance, riders can tailor their experience to their preferences and needs. Whether you're conquering city streets, hitting the trails, or venturing into mountainous terrain, this e-bike is up to the task. The Nakamura bike is not only powerful, but also has remarkable endurance. Its removable 460 Wh battery is cleverly integrated into the frame, providing a sleek appearance while maintaining practicality. This battery allows riders to explore for extended periods, delivering an assistance range of up to 100 km on a single charge. The Nakamura doesn't compromise on quality. It features an 11-speed transmission with a Shimano GRX groupset, ensuring smooth gear transitions and efficient pedaling. Safety is a priority, too, as the bike is equipped with 160mm hydraulic disc brakes, offering precise and reliable stopping power. Riders can easily manage their riding experience with the help of a handlebar-mounted LCD screen. This intuitive interface lets you control the e-bike's headlights and seamlessly switch between different assistance modes, adapting to the changing demands of your journey. For riders who want even more control and insight into their e-bike's performance, the Nakamura E-GRAVEL comes with the Naka e-Power Companion app. This app enables you to monitor your ride statistics, track your battery's charge status, and make further adjustments to your assistance settings from your smartphone. The Nakamura bike has made its debut in the French market, offering an excellent e-bike experience at an attractive price point. Priced at €1,999, which is approximately $2,118, this e-bike provides a compelling option for those looking to embrace electric assist biking without breaking the bank. However, it's important to note that as of now, there is no official information regarding the availability of the Nakamura in other markets. The model's exclusive availability in France emphasizes its rollout strategy. The Intersport Nakamura bike, initially introduced as the Century Gravel, redefines the boundaries of what an e-bike can offer. With its blend of performance, style, and user-friendly features, it's an ideal choice for riders looking to explore both paved roads and off-road trails. Whether you're seeking a thrilling adventure or a convenient way to commute, the Nakamura E-GRAVEL is ready to take you there with power and style. If you have any questions, I will ask them in the comments. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.